Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how I made this gorgeous looking chicken and gizzard kebabs. Kindly like my channel, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and don't forget to click the notification button. So let's get down to it. Here I'll be adding some Yaji, bits of curry and thyme, some mixed spices. This all-purpose seasoning is good, it's dry, so some chili and garlic, give that a good some grinding. And then peri-peri. Peri-peri is basically the combination of different peppers from black to white to red. A bit of salt, stir that up, and your dry blend is ready for your kebabs. Yep, these are readily available in your kitchen, so yes, and it will taste amazing. So let's start off with our peppers. I have different colors of bell peppers here, from the red, the green, the yellow, and some onion. Now I'll be adding some seasoning oil. You know all those noodles that you buy and then you don't use all the spices? Yeah, so that's the oil I'll be using. You can use your regular oil if you don't have seasoned oil, or you make your own when you fry chicken. Those are seasoned oil. Now we add the dry mix into our prepped chicken and gizzard, and also repeat the same process of adding oil. So like I said, if you don't have seasoned oil, you use regular oil. It works out fine. So once you've combined that properly, you allow to marinate for 2 to 24 hours in your fridge. And now it's time to stock. The skewers were prepped by soaking them in warm water for like about 5 to 10 minutes before I started stocking. So vegetables first, then the proteins, then the veggies, the proteins, and then you end with the veggies. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So in between I had the gizzard, in between the chicken. For the sticks I had the gizzard, and then for the ones just like that, look at that. And then for the chicken, it was just chicken all through with the veggies, just like you're seeing here. Now it is ready, guys, for the grill. So you can either use an open grill or you can use the oven. I will be using an oven because a lot of us don't have space for an open grill, so we use the oven. So yeah, but I still intend getting a top grill though. So after 20 minutes in the oven at 200 degrees, we are going to flip that. And now for this we have Yaji and oil, regular oil. So we're going to baste it on the skewers, on the kebabs, just like that, thoroughly, and return back into the oven for like another 10 minutes, and it is ready, guys. Look at that. Oh my god, like the taste is just so good. So you can eat it like this, or you can serve it with other dishes. So thank you so much for watching. Until next time, mwah.